The path of love is probably one of the most important journeys any human being can make. It's a journey out of separation into the heart, out of feeling shut out and disconnected and alien, to feeling welcome and connected and like, yes, I belong here. So the path of love is really a place of belonging to this human family, to this extraordinary world, with all of its challenges, all of its darkness, all of its light. It's about feeling a sense of belonging to the human family. And that can only happen when the heart opens. And it can only happen when I come out of the separation of my mind, all the beliefs and fears and conditionings of the mind, and into a place where I can feel connected with my body, feel connected to you, feel connected to the birds, connected to life. So it's a challenging journey because, of course, a lot of the time we're not connected. And the path of love is about facing all those places that have shut down, where we're in hiding, where we've been betrayed, abandoned, all the wounds of being human, and being willing to feel those feelings that are locked in inside, that are very painful. Often there's terror, there's shame, there's wanting to look away, not be seen. There's enormous sadness, of course, and rage. And these feelings are scary, and we had to push them away because they weren't welcome. But the path of love encourages us to get in touch with those feelings again and the wounds around them. And the miracle of this process is that when I really feel deep shame or my sadness, that's the transformation. Something happens. It opens up, the shame opens up into this sweet sense of innocence, perhaps. Or the sadness opens up to a love inside and a feeling of, I'm okay. And of course we think we can get to these feelings just by smiling and saying, yes, I'm fine, how are you? That's a lovely day. And of course, why not? That's what we want. But we all know it's superficial, it doesn't last. Where the journey of the path of love is lasting. When people are willing to go into, sometimes called the shadow, sometimes called the fire of transformation, and go into those difficult places, then the reward is this sense of coming home to myself, this sense of everything we want, peace, sweetness, joy, feeling at home.